Welcome. Today we're going to be reviewing this cordless screwdriver. It's a 4-volt screwdriver. It's a Parkside from Lidl. It's a PASD 4B2. This is on sale at £15 at the moment, and it seems like a steal, to be honest with you. I'll just show you what's in it. You get the screwdriver itself, USB-C charger, and an assortment of screwdriver ends. These ends slot in like this here, like you would expect, and there's a forward and back. The only thing I've got to compare it to is a Parkside one that I use, and I have to say this one is much faster. This one is much faster. This one's a different animal because it's got an assortment of butts and all that there, but I just think this naturally could be more useful because of the speed. Yeah. Inside, however, is your standard butts. It fits everything. Don't fit this. Great little set. Nice little butts that are insulated if you're working electrical stuff. Very ergonomic in your hand. 3-year guarantee and £15. Well, it's not bad. The main things I like about this is the strength of the magnet. When it's in there, it is in there. It's fairly good. It is a bit of a criticism of this, that the magnet might not be strong enough for my liking. Just put this thing to work. I must say it's pretty decent for the money. That wasn't a big test. I'm going to give this a test on one of these screws. I just put this in so far. She's not built for this, but if you had it pre-drilled, she'll screw it in. She's not built for this type of job. Ideal for small electronics. However, I don't think it can take the place of this. This will put on these screws. Ideal for small electrical work, fully insulated, hardened tops. 3-year guarantee. Does what it's supposed to do, but nothing more. So pick this up today. They'll be in your local Lidl. I am not sponsored by Lidl or anyone else. I am in no one's pocket. You get only real reviews, no fake bought reviews here. So if you like this channel, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. You know what to do.